Welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have my 2015 Jeep Renegade and I'm going to be showing you around the car for all of the important information labels. So on these labels you may find information like your VIN number, your colour code, your build date, tyre pressures and much more. So really handy information to know. So we're just starting the outside of the car, and other than the registration plates, the main thing that you can actually see is this number here through the windscreen. Now this is actually your VIN number, which is also known as your chassis number. And that VIN number is unique to every single car, and it's really useful when ordering parts or knowing the exact identification of your car. So you can use that number to contact parts suppliers, and you should just be able to give them that number and they should find out everything to do with the car, including the engine that's in it. Next thing we're going to do is just go on the passenger side, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance, and we're just going to look down here just in the door jamb there. Now this is actually our tyre sizes and tyre pressures. So bearing in mind the vehicle comes with a few different wheel options, so you need to check which size wheel. So you've got the 16, 17, two different widths in the 17-inch wheels and also 18-inch wheels, and that'll tell you what the tyre sizes are there. And then it also tells you the load rating index for the tyres that you need to order, and also your maximum running pressures there as well. Then we're just going to come up to this label here. Now this is the one that actually tells us, again, repeats our VIN number, and then over here it says what engine type the car's got, and then this is the colour code, and you'll notice it's in Italian because obviously these are built in Italy. So it gives you your colour code there, which on this car is 176. So the VIN number is actually stamped into the chassis as well, which is probably the most important VIN number to find, and that is actually found over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. But just again, we're going to open up the door and just look in the door jamb again, and you can see these two stickers here. Now these are actually our compliance stickers, and that gives us a build date. So this is actually an August 15 build, and it repeats the VIN number there. And then down here, just looking at the same there, and that actually refers to where this vehicle was certified. So like I said, the VIN number is actually stamped into the chassis, and that is found just under the carpets on the driver's side. And you can see this black cover here, and I'm just going to twist it. So there's actually a pivot point there. Twist that round. Then this is where our VIN number is actually stamped into the chassis. So I won't actually do the work to show you it, but with the engine number, you can find out what engine type it is from the other sticker that we had a look at. But the engine number is actually found straight under the engine. You need to take the belly pan off to get to it, and you look straight up on top of the block and you can actually see it quite easily. Now you do have to get the car into the air so you can get under there, and you do have to take that belly pan off. But there you go. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.